this video we are going to see about the process of making absorbent surgical cotton by using the world standard machines from Amarnath Engineering. Let's enter into the video. It is the initial process of making the surgical cotton rolls using our machineries. It is the process called pre-cotton cleaning, which is done by advanced technology. The selection of the raw cotton is very much essential to match with the medical standards as well as the profit margin and economical view. The raw cotton contains foreign matters like steam, leaf bits, stone, mud and microdusts, which is to be properly cleaned without affecting the basic property of the individual fiber. The gentle opening and cleaning performance resulted in the best bleaching and matching the international medical standards. The gentle treatment of the fibers helps for homogeneous mixing of different properties of fibers and removes the unwanted foreign matters as it is without breaking the seed coats, which is very much essential. This machine has designed in such a way to match with different kind of raw materials which is available throughout the world. The machines are designed by our well-qualified engineers with the advanced designing software from Amarnath Engineering delivers the high-tech and near maintenance-free machines. The well-cleaned cotton is collected by the high-speed condenser and delivered to the bleaching process. The collected cotton is loaded into the circular carrier and forming the cotton cake, by adding the chemicals to make the process easy in the bleaching process. The loaded cotton cake stainless steel carriers are lifted and loaded inside the keyer with the help of crane. The chemicals are added in right proportion in the fully automatic high-temperature, high-pressure keyer. This is very much essential to achieving the best quality of bleached cotton. The capacity of the bleaching tank will get varies based on the production requirement. The pre-cleaned cotton is treated by high-temperature, high-pressure technology. It dilutes the wax and delivers the good quality of absorbent cotton. The bleached cotton contains more water which is to be removed by the hydro extractor. This machine helps to separate the water by the perforated stainless drum, and the drain water from the hydro extractor and bleaching keyer is treated by the row plant. Meanwhile, the dry cotton is ready to process in the surgical cotton roll making plant. The roll making plant consisting of 6 beater machine which helps to open the fibers, liberate the micro dust and small dust particles. At the same time, it reduces the tough size of the cotton to make the process more comfortable in the 6-beater machine. The waste control bar which is in the 6-beater machine helps to have the control over the waste. Since the wax has been removed from the cotton in the bleaching process, the bundle of cotton is very tough to dry in the dryer and to extract the water. The fiber opening machine consisting of 2 feed rollers and 1 beater helps to open the fiber and prepare the material to feed to the dryer. The dryer machine consists of 3 chambers, radiator, and a blowing fan. The wet cotton is fed into the feed chamber and delivered as a dry cotton which is traveled on the perforated moving plates by the gearbox mechanism. The hot steam from the boiler passes through the radiator and makes the blade hot. The blowing fan helps to passes the hot air over the fibers which helps to dry the fibers and maintain uniform moisture content in the cotton, which is very much essential for creating the good working atmosphere for the roll making plant. The collected dry cotton is baled by the bale press and ready to sell in market. Meanwhile, the dry cotton is ready to process in the surgical cotton roll making plant. The roll making plant consisting of 6-beater machine which helps to open the fibers, liberate the micro dust and small dust particles. At the same time, it reduces the tough size of the cotton to make the process more comfortable in the 6-beater machine. The waste control bar which is in the 6-beater machine helps to have the control over the waste. The material feeding machine decides the uniform thickness of the fibers and it's having control over the feed lattice of the 6-beater machine. 2-photo shell which is provided in the material feeding machine helps to maintain the uniform fiber delivery for the high-pressure chute through material feeding fan. The material which is from material feeding machine delivered in the carding machine as the thin layer of cotton web, which is collected in the cylindrical shaped drum through the high-pressure chute. The collected absorbent surgical cotton feed back from the wooden drum collected manually and fed to the rolling machine to form roll. The rolling machine consisting of 3 rollers along with the drive mechanism driven by the inverters and loaded by the pistons. Once the surgical cotton roll is formed, it can be cut into the desired size and weight in the cutting machine. Now we have reached the cutting process. It is the final stage in the process of making absorbent surgical cotton roll. In the process, the single surgical cotton roll is cut into many pieces according to the size and weight requirement needed by the manufacturer to meet his customer needs. At the end of the process, we have got the top quality absorbent surgical cotton rolls by the machines from Amarnath Engineering. We thank our team in South Africa for extending your cooperation.